our President, Honorable Boys Peron, SPF President, Honorable Reyes Pinagazay, and special thanks to the very hardworking and very efficient Chairperson of the Karansa Festival 2024, Honorable Ivy Durano. All of this could have been possible and our overall artistic director, the one and only MJ Patricio, Julian Moore, and together with your voice over the voice of Celine, Julian